Hello and welcome to Solve Gadgets. We have a variety of amazing cool gadgets, tools, and equipment for an auto repair shop in today's video. Let us proceed to the video. Denmark is where we'll be heading next for the company event. A clever trolley for moving wheels has been created by professionals from a nearby business. The intelligent height adjustment is the secret, which makes it simple to transport and remove wheels from the carriage. With a load capacity of up to 400 pounds, the cart can transport 4 wheels at once. Its diameter is 28 inches and 2 of its 4 wheels are equipped with brakes. There is no requirement for energy, fuel, or consumables because of the spring mechanism that regulates the height. You can easily operate with it on your own with ease, and it weighs only 55 pounds. This fantastic trolley cost approximately $270. An innovative solution for motorcyclists is provided by an Australian business. Even in small locations, you can display and transport your motorcycle much more conveniently with the help of these supports. These platforms' multi-directional rollers are its major design element, so that you may handle the bike more easily and make better use of the available space. You can move the bike not only forward or backward, and moreover sideways. These platforms works fantastically for displays, museum auctions, and other related uses. Packages beginning at $400 and individual platforms beginning at $260 are also available on the website of the company. Road bikes with 17 or 19 inches front wheels have all-purpose preferences to them, as well as brand-specific ones, such as those for Harley-Davidson models and BMW. You will require a vehicle jack if your automobile tire is ruptured. ESCO bladder jack is what you need if you're still using an outdated automobile jack. It's a hydraulic model this time, and seriously, it is a wonderful gadget. With a lift height range of 4.5 inches at the lowest and 17 inches at the highest, it can raise up to 4,400 pounds. The company claims that the jack offers a considerable advantage. Compared to hydraulic and screw jacks, it has fewer and simpler components, which substantially lowers the need for restoration and preservation. A dual safety valve is included in the system for safety and security purposes. It stops twisting and unrestrained fall while being under load. Some dealers assert that this is the best alternative for both auto repair businesses and SUV and light trucks. It costs a little over $400 to purchase. You might get exhausted at how to handle a flat tire on your caravan or recreational vehicle in the middle of the highway. It might be awkward to use a jack since you have had some trouble getting it in the appropriate place. In addition to making tire changes more simpler, this camper leveler system might aid you because it doesn't necessitate offloading. Put the good tire on and place the car jack behind or in front of the good axle before driving up. The experts claim and studies indicate that the method is so straightforward that you can level the car on your very first attempt. Users may operate with wheels up to 32 inches in diameter and a maximum weight of around 30,000 pounds. The package comes with a leveler and a chock in the kit. The cost of this gadget is $45. An additional tool is provided here, which is even more specialized. Taking off bearings is simpler with this puller. One of the secrets is this innovative red ring spring-operated opening system, which allows the EasyPull to be positioned behind the item and detach the jaws with one hand, without the risk of human error. Damage to the shaft is prevented by the nosepiece's capacity to self-center and self-align. With a dismounting force of 60, 80, and 120 kilonewtons, the puller is offered in numerous configurations. The gripping widths for the 60 kilonewton variant range from 1.4 to 6 inches, and it weighs roughly 9 pounds. The center screw may be switched out for a hydraulic force generator in some variants to update them. Self-locking grips and self-centering guarantee both safety and effectiveness. Thus, even a new employee will work effectively due to its user-friendly design. The price of this gadget is $440. The next item is a tool that will make it simpler to remove various automotive parts. The newest WRD series solutions were used in its innovation by a Canadian corporation. In comparison to similar products, the VP3 suction cup, for instance, has a 12 more effective hold. Additionally, because of its unique profile, it needs less pumping to perform at full capacity, extending its useful life. The tool's regular edition costs $55 and is appropriate for use while working on windscreens. This will greatly improve the convenience of mounting, demounting, holding, and carrying components. With a suction cup diameter of around 6 inches, the gadget has a rather straightforward construction that makes it quite small. What you are witnessing is neither a technological advancement nor a robot combatant. This manipulator will come in helpful while working with tires. It offers a manual 90-degree tilt and can support up to 40 pounds. It has several functions and may be found at auto repair shops, warehouses, gas stations, and many other places. The U.S. business GCI Engineered Solutions created the Manipulator. It provides solutions for creating safer manufacturing lines for everything from toothpaste tubes to vehicles. One manipulator device, for example, can lift 3 pounds while retaining a 90-degree tilt capacity. This makes installing wheels and changing tires on machinery like dump trucks more easier. An intriguing idea for dealing with motorbikes is this air hydraulic lift. As it offers the features you often get on more costly models, the vendor claims it has a terrific price to performance ratio at around $730. With a top lift height of around 30 inches, the lift can readily support bikes weighing up to 1,000 pounds. The steel tool is 86.5 inches long, 26.8 inches broad, and includes a detachable ramp. It has a front wheel retainer with belt cushioning and belt loops that are infinitely adjustable. There are also detachable casters, a stop system, and a rear wheel dropout panel.